Hi guys, this is a video review about the lesson we have learned in class, the exercises we were practicing. Remember the topic? Checking by casting out nines, in this case division. Let's going to begin with the exercise. Number 1, remember you don't have this exercise in your book. This is just an example. The first step we are going to do is find and cross out all number nines. In this case, we have some number nines there, but when we don't have number 9, okay, in this case 9 cross out, 9 cross out. But when we don't have number 9, we have to make an addition, okay? And we are going to say, okay, 6 plus 3 equal 9. That's why we are going to cross out. Okay? In this case, we have 6 plus 3 equal 9. Now we have found all number 9s, and we're going to continue in this part. This is number 58, but we don't have 9, so we are going to make an addition and say 5 plus 8 equal 13. We cannot write 13, so we are going to say 1 plus 3 equal 4. Okay, so this 4 is my divisor exceed. Okay, I'm going to repeat one more time. Are you ready? Great. Remember, we can make an addition or to sum the numbers 6 plus 3 equal 9. 9 cross out, 9 cross out. 4 plus 3 plus 2 equal 9. Okay, now we cross out the numbers. Now we don't have more 9. So we are going to continue with this one. We cannot write 58, so we are going to make an addition and say 5 plus 8 equal 13. We cannot write 13, so say 1 plus 3 equal 4. That's number 4. It's my divisor exceed. The next step is work on this part. Okay, and we are going to sum. Okay, we said 3 plus 6 was 9, right? But now we are going to say, okay, 1 plus 6, 7. And 7 plus 1 equal 8. That's 8. It's going to see, or it's going to be, conjugate exceed. Next step is taking the remainder exceed. Remember, divisor exceed, conjugate, exceed, and remainder exceed. In this case, we write 6 because it's the last number, is the unique number we have there. So that's why we write 6. Okay. This is alone, so we are going to write 6. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to say that this number 6 is my divided exit. Now we have to say 4 times 8 plus 1 equal, okay, let's going to make an operation, but why this operation comes from is because these 4 times 8 plus 1. Now we have to say 4 times 8, 32, plus 1, 33. But we cannot write 33, so we have to say 3 plus 3 equal 6. Now we get at 6 and look. This is my final exit. This and this are the same. So that means my division is correct. Okay? Now let's going to continue with the next part. The next exercise. Okay. I'm going to erase this and say, let's going to begin to find them all. So sorry, we are going to begin finding all number 9s, okay, in this case. Can you find number 9? Let's see, for example, 3 and 7. Okay, make an addition and say 3 plus 7 equal 10. But in this case, we cannot write 0, so we are going to write just number 1. So my divisor exit is 1. Now in this part, we have to say 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Now we cannot write 18, so we have to say 1 plus 8 equal 9. We get a 9, remember, cross out, and now we have a big 0. Okay, now our second number is 0. The conjugate exit. And remember, this is my remainder exit. Now in this part, we don't have 9s, but we have 5 plus 4 equal 9. We get a 9, so cross out. Now 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Now what do we have to do? We have to say 1 times 0 plus 8. Okay, let's going to do it. 1 times 0 plus 8 equal, let's see, 1 times 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 8. So this is my final exceed. Now we can look. This 8 and 8 are the same. That means my division is correct. Now you can copy on your notebook. Now let's going to continue with the next part, that is, remember the formula, that is divisor exceed times quotient exceed plus remainder exceed equal dividend exceed. Now here we have the other exercise, okay? And we are going to begin and say, can you find number 9s? I find 1, so cross out. 5 plus 4, 9, so cross out. Okay, now let's going to begin in this one. And we have to say 5 plus 8 equal 13. So we are going to write 13. Now 1 plus 3 equal 4. This is my divisor exceed. Now let's continue and say 8 plus 8 equal 16. Okay, 16. But in this case, we are going to say 1 plus 6 equal 7. Now, 7 plus 7 equal 14. And 1 plus 4 equal 5. Okay, that's why we get 5. Now, I'm going to repeat one more time. Remember, 8 plus 8 equal 16. 1 plus 6 equals 7. And 7 plus 7 equals 14. And 1 plus 4 equals 5. So that's why we get 5. And now the remainder exceed. In this case, we cannot write 46, so we are going to say 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equal 10. We don't write 0, we just have 1. So the remainder exceed is 1. Now in this part, we have 5 plus 4, 9. 9 cross out. Now we have this one, the missing numbers, that is 1 plus 2 equal 3. Now let's see, what are we going to do? Divisor exceed times quotient exceed plus remainder exceed. Okay, so 4 times 5 plus 1 equal 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. And 2 plus 1 equal 3. This is my final exceed. And look, this and these are the same. That means my division is correct. Excellent. Now let's going to continue with the next exercise. We have 83 divided by 19,673. Remember, we have to find all number nines. 9 cross out. 6 plus 3 cross out. Number 9 cross out. Now we finish this, we are going to continue with the divisor exceed. And we have to say 8 plus 3 equal 11. 11, we say 1 plus 1 equal 2. Okay, this is the divisor exceed. Now we have this one. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 2, 3. This is my quotient exceed. Now we have the remainder exceed. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 7, 10. We don't write 0, so just 1. Okay? Now in this one, this is the missing number, so we have to write 0. Then 7, 0 plus 7, 7. Now we have to say 2, remember, divisor exceed times quotient exceed plus remainder exceed. So 2 times 3 plus 1 equal 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, remember this was 7, so we can say this and this are the same. So that means that my division is correct. Now you can work along with the next exercises. Here are all the answers. You can check it if you have it correct or not. You can stop the video when you are ready.